This is a tutorial on how do you connect your WooCommerce store with POPCustoms in seconds. First, please make sure that you have an account on both POPCustoms and WooCommerce. Second, please log in to your WooCommerce account to download our WordPress plugin. Click Plugins and add New, search POPCustoms to find our plugin to install. Activate it after installing, then you'll find the plugin POPCustoms has been installed successfully and shown in the left column. Click POPCustoms and click Register at POPCUSTOMS.com to register a free account on POPCustoms. If you have registered, you can sign in directly. After signing up, click the stores in the left column to find the WooCommerce Connect button. You can view the tutorial before you get started. Click the Connect button and you will be asked to fill in your WooCommerce store domain. Click Approve. Then you can click the Continue button or Sign in to move forward. Click Connect Store button to process to the next step. Done. You have connected your store to your POPCustoms account successfully. Now let's go to check and confirm the store settings first. You can change the currency to AUD or others. When you sync products to your store, the price will be converted from USD to the currency you set. And you can set the estimate profit rate you want. It'll apply to all products you synced. We suggest you to set the product status as active so the synced products will be published automatic to your WooCommerce store. Please don't forget to click Confirm after you complete all settings. That's it. Go to Pick Products and Design now.